So I was super stoked to get my 7 in today. I have the 3, the 4, and the 5. Beyond the 5, I never upgraded. I never had a need to. We may basically just do fishing videos and water sports, stuff like that. So the video on the 5 was everything that I needed. But I was really curious about the 7 since I also have the GoPro Karma, the grip. And I was really curious about the 7 because they say it's the gimbal killer, which I think is pretty funny because Karma Grip is a GoPro product. I think that's kind of bad marketing. But anyways, I got my 7 in today, and what I wanted to know was, do I need my grip anymore? And I know there's going to be a lot of YouTube videos out there on the GoPro 7, but I thought that I wanted to make a video because I'm not a professional. I'm not going to use this in a professional setting, but I wanted to know if it was worth my money. I have the grip. It cost maybe more than the camera did because I did the GoPro trade up. But anyways, I wanted to know if I needed my grip anymore. You know, eliminate one less thing that I have to carry. So I did a tractor test. I felt like that was the best way. And I did handheld, and then I did in the gimbal. And then for fun, I also did my 5 handheld. So my unprofessional opinion here as a basic user is I absolutely love this camera. I think it's worth every penny. I think it's everything that they said it is. It set up super quick. It connected right to my app, which none of my other GoPro cameras did with ease like that. The other ones, they kind of take a little bit of time. And I really don't feel like I need my grip anymore. So I think that the 7 is well worth it. I'm very pleased that I purchased it.